In this tutorial, we will give a brief overview of what VoiceThread is and how it can be used in your D12 course. To start with, let's take a look at a promo video created by VoiceThread.
A VoiceThread is a virtual room where you can upload pictures, videos, presentations, or documents, almost any kind of digital media. And then you and anyone you share the space with can talk about that media, recording incredibly rich multisensory comments that weave together voices, faces, annotations, zooming and panning, and even jump comments that allow you to move from one piece of media to another to compare and contrast different elements. Weaving all of these elements together creates comments that are multidimensional, just like real people are. So as far as tools go, VoiceThread is a little like email and Zoom had a baby, allowing people to connect in a way that's less stressful and more efficient than live meetings, but also letting them convey that complex and wonderful human presence that's just simply absent from email and chat. But to understand just how different it is, you really need to just make a comment or two, and then you'll see how voice threading allows you to become a better listener and to be fully present for others, even when you're not.
To review what was mentioned in the video, VoiceThread is a platform where you can upload various media types like pictures, videos, audio, presentations, or documents. These media elements are presented in a PowerPoint-like format where the student interacts with the content slides. Then you and students can post comments on what they see and hear. Commenting can be robust, with the ability to post a video comment, audio comment, or text. Commenters can also upload a media file. Commenters can interact with the content through zooming or panning, and annotation via drawing. Commenters can even do jump commenting by moving from one piece of media or slide to another and do a compare-contrast of what they see. Let's first take a look at our first set of instruments here, being the trumpet and the flugelhorn. Notice that they have valves, 3 to be exact. Another set of instruments that have valves as well are the French horn and its marching companion, the mellophone. As we see with the mellophone, as far as its use in D2L, VoiceThread is a third-party integrated tool that can be chosen when creating an assignment or activity in the content area. You have the ability as faculty to create a non-graded activity or a graded assignment. If you choose a graded assignment, it is linked to your gradebook and a grade item is created for you. No need to create one in the gradebook. Looking specifically at the graded assignments, VoiceThread offers 3 types. A watch assignment, where you just assign how many slides the student needs to watch. A comment assignment, where students are required to leave an assigned set of comments. And a create assignment, where students create their own VoiceThread presentation. If you are looking for a tool or activity to make your online course more engaging and interactive, using VoiceThread would be a good option. If you want to start using VoiceThread and would like to learn more about how to use it, look for other tutorial videos that we will post. Some of the topics covered will include the suggested workflow when using VoiceThread, creating a VoiceThread home link and why, creating a VoiceThread assignment, a deeper tour of the VoiceThread interface. Note that some of the videos will be shorter just focusing on a specific task, while others will be longer, taking a deeper dive. Also, some of the information may be repeated in various videos, so that you won't necessarily need to hop to a specific video to find information. That's all for this tutorial. If you wish to dive in and continue, I suggest watching Create a VoiceThread homepage link, and then the suggested workflow.